Raunchy tuna. I'm not showing a live here. This is odd. Nice, nice. Economics, my friend. Economics. Okay, why am I not showing me live on YouTube? Why is that not working this morning? No, let's go back to my channel. YouTube Studios. Right. I should be live. I should be. Content creator. Your channel. Hey, Jesh. Oh, here I am. Alright, looks like I'm live now. Channel. Hey, Jesh. Oh, here I am. Alright, we are good. Right, so let's like I'm live now. Channel. Hey, Jesh. Oh, here I am. Yeah, let's mute the site, right? So yep, that's what we got to do. All right. Let me just now double check YouTube Studios, my chat. I'll put that over here. If you guys got any questions, comments, or anything, let me know. I have to read an article about China's economy and stimulus or something. Yeah, they. I had a teacher up here that wanted all the kids to be more Chinese where I live. Kind of fighting with him for a while. The Chinese economy. Chinese economy. All right. So we are now good. Everything good. We're live. I don't know how to see viewers on this one. It's kind of shitty. I would like to see my viewers, but I guess I can't. So, mention stuff in chat every once in a while. We'll take a look. We're 5 minutes into my regularly scheduled program here. All right, first thing to note, let's talk about, again, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in chat. I'll do my best to answer everything you guys got. I'm trading a simple strategy for these evals, like very brain dead simple. I've been doing technical analysis for over a decade, mainly on swing trading. Never really much super success, but some success. But as soon as I make a little bit of money, I take it out and blow it. So I've never really built up any wealth through the stock market. With all that being said, I am now doing some evals to try to generate some extra income in this economy. So this is mainly entertainment because I generally screw shit up. So we're going to see how we do. Currently, we're up on both of our evals, and we will talk about those in a minute. First, let's touch on the news. There was some news at 8:30. Not looking good. PPI is going up. This is the wholesale inflation information, basically. And they both went up. So that's an indication inflation is with us and it's going to stay. I got Jesh on Twitch here. He's got to read stuff about China, so that's good, right? That's good. So there we are. Now we're going to go look at actual market. I'll kind of explain my chart really quick so everybody knows what's going on. Over here, I got the 5-minute mini. I got the 1 hour, the 1 minute, and I use a Renko on my trading strategy. So all three of those are right there. The goal is to basically make $500 before I lose 1,000. I know that's ass backwards, but that's just kind of how my plan seems to work. It seems to be correct about 80% of the time, which means on an account where I'm trading 5 contracts, I am, shooting for $500 in a day, and basically I'll walk away with about 1,000 a week. That's the goal. That's the hope. I'm just hoping that the 500 isn't too much to keep getting me, getting my drawdown too far. Again, I'm trading 2 accounts. I'm trading one with 5 contracts, which is the one we're going to be seeing on screen today. And then I have an additional one that I'm trading in the background in the group that's doing 2 contracts. That is why I'd be trading 7 contracts in total on Trade of 8. So we will actually look at some technical analysis and other things. This is not good. This is not good at all. So we're looking here, and we're very sideways, right? We definitely have support resistance at this lower line, the 350, 360 area. So that's going to act as strong support. So expect some bounces off of there if we don't break through it before the opening bell. On the top side, we are looking, might have some room on the top side. Right, we came down. We're kind of testing this range. You know, we did have that little bit of spike on news. So the spike kind of went up and then came right back down into the range. Right, so nothing really too important to be concerned with. We're going to zoom out to fix our VWAP. Here comes our VWAP coming down. So we're definitely in a downtrend on the VWAP in a 1 minute, right? But that's right here. Again, we're just sideways. The moving average crosses here mean little at the moment. They might mean some a little bit. We're currently in a moving average cross to the downside on the 5 minute chart. So let's see how that plans out, right? Let's see if that continues down. We break below 353, 53, you know, basically the low of the day, 352 right here. Then bearishness will definitely come into effect. VWAP did seem to hold a little bit this morning around 8 o'clock. So it's just something to pay attention to. Again, it kind of got like shit in my throat. Sorry about that. This is just indicating there's more support. So we're looking at the hourly, and we draw a line from kind of where we're at right now. And you can see there's a lot of issues here for support on the downside. I don't really have a strong trend line anywhere. There's not an uptrend line or a downtrend line, right? So we're kind of horizontal trend line at the low and the VWAP. So there's really not much to go off on technicals here. Just kind of waiting for that range to break. Right, so if the range continues down, then we're looking to go bearish. If it continues up, we're going bullish. So, and again, don't do anything I do. You'll probably lose money. That's just the way it is. So, I mean, here's my upper trend line. If I was to draw one, my lower trend line, it would be somewhere in this ballpark, but I want to break below here, right? So we've been bouncing 1, 2, 3 times right there. This area is very strong as well, as you can see. So this is like a whole zone right in here. Right, I'm actually going to, you know, just for shits and giggles today, I'm going to draw those zones. I see a lot of people trading zones. I understand the concept, so let me just draw those in and kind of give you an idea of what those would look like. So we take our shapes here, right? We want a rectangular. And we're looking like right about probably here. Right, and the lower zone's like right there. So that's kind of my upper zone. You know, again, it's drawing and stuff is kind of an art, so keep that in mind. And this is my lower zone right now. So we're looking to bounce out of here, go back up, or vice versa. There is some congestion here in the middle, which we got to pay attention to. Yeah, but that's just a risk of trading, right? Now for my trading strategy, again, very simple. When Renko changes color, when it turns red or turns green, I get in or out. So right now I would be bearish in my trading plan. I trade till I get the $500 I need for the day and I get out. In the event I do not get the $500, then we will continue trading until I blow 1,000. And the reason that is it usually only takes 1 or 2 moves to get the return on the day. So I do have to every once in a while run through a lot of crap, and like this is crap, right? I'd be selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, crap. This is crap, right? We want to avoid these. But then this move right here, right, to give you an example, so I lost all this little bit of money here and there, you know, bouncing back and forth. It wasn't huge, but it was there. And then this move right here, let's see when we would have got into that. And when we would have got out. So we would have got into this move here. Right, on this candle right here. So we rode through all the crap, right? And then we would have got into this move. Up there, this candle right. This candle right here would have put us in. We would have rode that all the way up. Right? Where's our red candle coming in here? And then we would have got out on... I got to pull this over. We would have got out on this candle right here. So we would have had that whole move. Right? We even would have went through the crazy news. Again, I do not trade news. You will see me get out of trades when news time comes around. All right, so there we go. So I got a couple trading zones, right? We just broke the low. Here we go. So we got some movement to the downside. Right, so we broke out of that one zone. Let's see if we got any other zones. We do not on the 1 minute. There is some stuff over here, but let's take a look at the higher time frame, see if we can get a zone. So let's go to the 5 minute. And we do have a lot of just junk. Junk. You know, realistically, there's a good chance to go down to 2,300, right? There is some crap in here. Is there anything in the past? Looking. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's all like right in here, right? So this is a whole little zone here. So I expect to get down into that zone, and we'll see what happens. We do have an upper trend line on our hourly that we drew in the other day. And that pretty much narrows it down, right? So according to my trading plan, just to recap, this trade here, right? Again, I'm just trading simple. I see the analysis, I do. Technicals are so hard to trade. I get so wicked out. I get so frustrated. I just want something simple that I make a few bucks and I walk away each day, you know? That's it. I would like to have a better risk reward on this strategy, but currently the way it's setting up, I have to allow myself that much risk. I could probably give myself a little bit more reward, and we will be trying that with further accounts. But for right now, these accounts are set at that 2-to-1 inverted risk reward. All right, so let's take a good look here, right? Let's dive right in. So this one would have flipped on us. Oh, is that the open? Okay, this is the open. So again, we do not trade till 9:45, and then per my plan, I follow my plan, but I will go through technical analysis as we trade. I follow my plan, and then so my plan says I do not take trades at 9:45. I don't like a lot of volatility. I don't like a lot of jumping around. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you make a lot of money, you know, but you also lose a lot of money. This is a lot more gambling risk to me. So I rather just wait it out, right? Let's see which way the market truly goes. Being away from VWAP is a good indication that we will get some movement today. This is a good indication also of that downward move we were talking about. And again, where were we looking to go? Right around here, right? So we got we'll have a nice double top on the hourly if this breaks. I believe that's going to give us a good sentiment for a bearish day. That's very strong. I like that. So right now, the bottom of that, bottom of this one back here from the day is right there. 295, right? 295. The double O's, right? The double O's. We did find some support in this range. So right, we talked about this range earlier. We are finding some support that would really eat into that profit. But again, this is the morning, right? The morning is very volatile. People get kind of settled in the morning, and then we start trading. So other than that, there really isn't much going on. We can kind of take a look at the news really quick, right? What would that be? That'd be on... I like to look at Twitter, to be honest with you. I just like to take a quick look. Oh, bummer. Oh, bummer. Michelle, so this is me. I'm kind of involved in a lot of conspiracy stuff. So we just like to look at trending, just not your trending. Look at the regular trending. iRobot's trending, so that's AI stuff. Teleprompters, something went wrong there. Detroit. What's going on with Detroit? Detroit just hosts the largest NFL draft in history. The Tigers are back in the playoffs. The Lions are headed to the Super Bowl. Gotcha. Whatever you say, buddy. How I look. 11th of October is trending. Wordle. Terminator. That has to do with the iRobot thing. Skynet. You know, what the hell? It's kind of freaky. That's a lot of that shit going on. Alright, so it's basically just a new robot thing that they introduced. Right? Elon Musk's been working on this robot technology for a while. This is nothing too shocking. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Let's just post on here a good morning on our chat, right? Let's get some words on the YouTube chat so it doesn't look so boring. So then the machines do. Right, so there we go. I mean, the rise of the machine. So there's nothing really on news. Let's check other headlines, CNN. See what kind of headlines they have. Florida residents, okay, we already know about that. Right, so again, my condolences out to the people in Florida. Let's take a look at Fox. So we're just seeing if there's anything that's really standing out. And there's really nothing. Right. I mean, we got the election coming up. That's going to be a mess either way you look at it. So there's really not much there in the news. And again, we got the 10 o'clock University of Michigan sentiment. Notice that's red. So what I do is if it's red and I'm trading during that time frame, I will stop trading. So my trading is going to stop at 9:58. And then I will start trading again at 10:02. All right, so we're having a little push back up into our zone here, which would be a good area to buy. Right, so for me personally, if I was trading like I used to here, I'd like to see us pull back up to that 9 on the 5-minute and then continue back down, right? Continue back down to this range here. We did not break that double top in the hourly. So we need to pay close attention to that. All right, so right now, I mean, we are getting some momentum back to the downside. We did kind of have a hammerish form candle here on the 5-minute. Just didn't get respected. No one cares about that candle, right? They wish it was something better, but it's not. It's not. It's a pile of crap, that candle. Let's go over here and get some stuff set up on the YouTube thing so I can actually see what's going on. See if people love me or people hate me. What are you guys doing, you know? That's all we care about. We want to just see what you're doing. We want to see what you're doing. Right, so, here we go. All right. There we go. So it's kind of dead. Kind of dead. That's to be expected because I'm new to streaming, right? I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. But right now I want to... can I get rid of this? I wonder. Be nice if I can get rid of this window over here. Let's see if I can do that this morning. There we go. Do we continue down to that spot? 315. We still got a little ways to go. Like again, I want to be at about the 300. We are sitting at 937, so I got about 7 minutes before I can trade. Right? So how do I get rid of this silly chat? I don't need it. I don't want it. I want you gone. Right? I want you gone. I mean, I can blow up the screen, but if I blow up the screen, it really screws stuff up. Right, so I guess there's an open widget. Nope. Stream settings. Nope. Analytics. Nope. I just want to see my stream. Maybe if I go to my channel. There we go. Click on Raunchy Tuna Day Trading there. Alright. So now I can actually see my stream. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Right, but when I shrink it, that's what it does. I don't like that. So let's zoom out here and see if that helps. Not really. Not really. There we go. So I need to be at there. Alright. That's good. And I got the chat and everything else. So again, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, let me know. We are going over a little bit of technicals as we go. We looked at the news. There's really not much going on. We do have some Michigan sediment. I don't really know what that means. I can't really tell you what the hell that means. Right? What is University of Michigan sediment? Let's take a look. What the hell is it? Oh, Jesus, is that bright white? That's all I know. Holy shit. All right. What does it mean? University of Michigan surveys of consumers. Consumer sentiment extended. All right, so consumer sentiment. So I would assume the higher the number, the more people trust the economy, right? Is that what we're thinking here? The higher the number, the stronger the economy. Right? So that's what we're going to go with. That's going to be what I'm going to believe is happening here. Again, we're still kind of wompy. Nothing too crazy. 5 minutes off my trading time. Let's go. Like a nice quick day like yesterday. Yesterday we hit our target within 5 minutes of trading and we were done. We were done. It was a wham bam thank you, ma'am. So today in the life of me, right? Let's like my own stream, right? Let's get those thumbs up going. The more thumbs up we get, more people join my stream. That's what they say. That's what all the streamers say. The fuck do I know, right? Also subscribe, because at least that way I know people are paying attention a little bit. I got 17 lost souls that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And then if you're watching me on Twitch, also make sure to follow me on Twitch. And let's see if we can get over that wonderful 100 today. I will be streaming tonight on Minecraft Anarchy server. So basically I do trading during the day. A little bit of gaming at night. I take Wednesdays and the weekends are kind of up in the air what I do. Except for Sunday mornings, I do a stream where I go over some of the news events. And eventually we'll see where all that goes. Oh shit. Every time I push on my desk, my one screen goes black. Which could be very bad for trading, by the way. Okay, my coffee's running low. So let me show you what a boomer does for ad breaks, right? We go to our notebook here. Making coffee. Be back in 3 minutes at 9:44. Please stay. I have no friends. Please stay. I have no I want you guys to be my friends. Won't. How do you spell won't? I don't know. Won't you be my friend? There we go. All right. That's enough of the boomer talk. We'll be right back. I'm going to make a coffee. We're back at 9:44, like I said. Let's take a look here. Please don't stay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, yo. We are green here. Oh, we might flip. Nope, time's up. I should have a indicator on this. I have not heard it this morning. So I wonder if something's wrong with my audio. Right, so let's just double check. Maybe I got my volume way the hell down. I do. Let's turn that up. That should fix that. Nope. Nope. Yeah, Josh, I have no friends. Will you be my friend? I got a friend on Twitch now, guys, so that's something to look forward to. Nope, no bank yet. We haven't gotten to our first trade. We're waiting. We're waiting. All we need is this to turn red, and we will be in, going down, which is what we expect, actually. We expect to go down at this point, right? We talked about this earlier. We're hitting the 9 moving average. This makes a lot of sense to turn back down. Here comes the downward move, like we were talking about, right out of that zone. I think it's going to be a one and done. I think it's going to be a one and done today. Right, so as soon as we pop red, come back down, I'm in. I'm done. I really think I'm going to be a quick day again. Holy shit. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe not. We're busting through that zone. We're in the middle of it now. That was our zone. We have a new zone down here, right? So this is kind of our new zone down here. For this to turn red, what do I need right now? I need it to come down here. Let me draw my red stop line in. All right, let's get that in. Let's get that in, get that done. Again, we'll see what happens here. But we were in that zone, so we're waiting for a break out of that zone. Right? That technicalities. We can probably draw a line here. I don't know if people are. If they are, it's something like this. But that's shit. 2 points make a line, not a trend, right? So I just kind of made that up. There's no trend there. You can follow me for more lines. I draw a lot of them. As far as this reversing, it's just not happening, right? We're still in that zone. We're still in that zone. There is a lot of resistance and stuff through here. I would like to see a doji in this area. Let's also draw our horizontal line here. Let's adjust this. I do not want that. I want it red. I want this thing large and in charge. We'll apply that. We'll save it. Apply. Save. There we go. And right now, we need a move below this point, which we did get. Wow, look at that. We did get that. Don't jinx anything yet. Jesh, you know me. You know me, buddy. You know me. I don't mess anything up. Precision. Precision. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. You couldn't call it any better. We got a spinning top. We're going to curve over. We're going to come down. Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and I'll be done. I'll be done just like that. Just like that. I see it. I see it. I see it with my own eyes. Have a good day. We got a minute 36 for this candle to develop. Let's get that selling pressure in. Let's get this done. Let's get this done really quick. I could join some, check out some porn or something. I could do something with my life other than sit on the computer all day. Right? That'll be exciting. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to flip red, right? Boom. Boom. There it is. There's that red candle we were talking about. This closes below here. I'm in. I'm in, and we're going to watch it. We're going to watch it. We're going to see about making money or losing it. And it didn't flip red on me. Did not flip red. You son of a bitch. I was all excited. It's all right. It's all right. Found some support there, right? All right. We're still on that 9. We're making kind of a, I don't want to call it a hammer, but there's definitely some selling pressure. If we close below that 9, I think we're good. This would be kind of like a wiki test, but not really. I'd like to have another candle here for a wick test on that. Again, if you have any questions about the crazy shit I spiel, you know, again, I just have a lot of knowledge on the subject of trading, so I just generally go pretty batshit crazy. Is this not going to slow down? Let me double check the VWAP, make sure we're in the right spot. We are. The reason why you scroll, you know, so this blue line is VWAP, which is the volume weighted average, right? The reason why I scroll that, oop, we're going to lock in a little bit more. Our turn's going to be faster here. I'm still looking for a bearish push, right? I'm still looking for a bearish push. But we did get above that. I'm not liking that. So a doji here would be nice. That line we drew, funny enough, is kind of doing its line thing here, right? I could almost get 3 points, but now I'm just trying to make shit up, right? We're trying to make shit up. Trying to make shit up. There ain't no 3 points there. There ain't no 3 points there. Get out of here. Get out of here with that fake line shit. All right. I like to see a doji here. I'd like to see a pullback again. This makes a lot of sense. We are in that zone. We are in the zone. See the zone? We are in it. Pull back below here. I am short. We're going. Do we have an upward trend line? We don't even have one of those, really. I mean, not a pretty one. Okay, got a doji on the 1 minute. Still a doji on the 4 minutes to go. We did find support where we said we would in this area earlier this morning. So again, there's like a support zone down here. I mean, I could probably draw something in there. I don't know how most of those work, but ooh, we're breaking the top of this this zone. Are we going to go up, or is VWAP going to be our friend here? Let's take a look at some other indicators, right? So let's take a look at Fibs. Fibs hasn't worked well for me lately, especially in Forex trading, but we'll take a look at it. I have no problem taking a quick look at the Fibs. Let's see if it's fibbing. Okay, we're in that zone on the Fibs, right? Actually lines up pretty well with our box to begin with that we drew in. Yeah, I cap at $500 a day. So if I make 500, Josh, I am out. If I lose 1,000, I'm out. So I'm kind of ass backwards, right? But we still haven't gotten that switch. And we got news at 9:58, which that's just a complete hogwash crap hole. So I'll have to get out at 9:58 no matter what, because trading during the news you end up with a lot of motion. We want smoothness in the market. We don't want it to be so tight that it's impossible to trade. So maybe our zone should have been a little tighter here, right? Maybe our zone should have been a little bigger. Because we're looking to make a spinning top here. Where am I at with this? So my stop now is here. So if we get below that line, I'm in. I'm in looking for my $500 for the day. Here we go. Hopefully we're turning around now, right? That's what we're hoping for. We got 5 seconds. Here we go. Oh, my phone needs to be charged. And we're in, people.
Order filled.
We're in. We're going south. Let's go. Give me that $500 and let's call her a day. So I want $500 at this number here, $700 at this number, and this looks like poop. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. That's why. Here we go. Here we go. I'm supposed to be on this one, right? This is the $500 deal. We're gonna switch this up to 14 now, because when we buy out, if this flips green, we're gonna buy and go the other way. So here we go. We're just seeing. We're waiting. We're waiting, right? We got out of our box, which we talked about. We're waiting for this bearish push. We do have some support kind of here, kind of a Yankee support at the 9. And let's see us push this, right? We push this down to, right now we're sitting at about 50 ahead, right? So I don't know if I'm going to get it on this move. I don't think there's enough juice here, but we'll see. Our stop currently is about to get run over like a freight train, right? Because our stop is right here. And our stop just got ran over like a freight train. So that's good. That's good. This is how you lose money trading, right? Right? We had a great plan and stuff. Oh, wait. Wait, everybody who got into that technical trade has now just gotten trapped and gotten knocked the hell out, right? They're like, oh, I got it, I got it. No, you don't. But I got it because I'm still in the trade, right? I still have a chance to make some money. But right now I'm losing $70. So that's good. That's a good start for the day. Let's lose some money, right? Got 4 more minutes before I have to auto cancel. Right, so I might just auto cancel early. Sometimes I do. I mean, if I only got 1 or 2 minutes on a trade, it's not worth staying in because I'm just going to have to get right back out. Okay, but again, we did not flip green here. We got a lot of selling pressure. Let's see if that selling pressure could hold up. Look at that doji on the 5, though. Look at that spinning top right there. That is strong bearishness right there. Strong bearishness. Let's keep that going. Again, we had the moving average cross to the downside, but I don't put much faith into that due to the fact that we were sideways. Here we go. We're looking to lose again. Ooh, we are losing a little bit more this time. We're about 100 down if we had to close out right now. Again, I'm really liking this spinning top looking thing over here. So let's see if that holds any water. We do got VWAP coming up, which is kind of an oh shit moment. Oh shit moment. But we're going to go. We're going to see what happens. Right, we got 10 more seconds. I like to see this push right back down to this red line, but it's not. It's not. It's not listening to me. It's not listening to me, so we are going to buy market
Order
right here.
filled.
We flipped around the other way. I'm just doing what my plan says. I might double top here and take a double loss. But this is how I trade my plan, right? Follow your plan. Follow your plan, Stan. Let's get up to VWAP. Let's get up to VWAP, make up for that loss. We're 127 down on this account today. Let's just make up for that loss, get some news, and then flip over bearish, right? So our technical analysis didn't hold up. I mean, it didn't not hold up. It just didn't hold up at that time. Right? We got 2 more minutes. Wonder if my clock is the same as this one. I'm going to watch because I think it's a little off. Right? Let me see what the real world time is. Real time. Okay, it's close. So this minute for sure, we're getting out no matter what. Win, lose, or draw. Again, a lot of selling pressure up here. We did bust through that, kind of neglecting that spinning top, right? But we are stuck at the 20. Right now, we're looking to lose money again, so that's a good way. We got a lot of jitters, right? A lot of jitters. A lot of jitters. We want to avoid these jitters. Jitterbug. Do jitterbug, 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 jitterbug. Is that a song? I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure Jitterbug's a song. I mean, I know it's a phone. It used to be a phone for old people, like boomers like me. Well, they were boomers then. I'm a boomer now. Right? Boomer! I still do the LOL thing, right? It makes me a boomer. So we're going to take another small loss here.
Order filled.
That's it. Again, we can't stay in this because of our trading plan. Following the trading plan to a detriment sometimes. To a detriment. All right, we're going to switch this back to 7 because we're going to be getting back in. And here, let's talk technical analysis, right? So you see this, you see all this, you see this, right? You're going to go short. But then look, you get bumbizzled. So all these people got trapped, and all these people that got trapped up here. You know what I mean? This is what makes technicals so hard. It really makes technicals hard. It's hard to know how far you're going to let that trade go. Right? So right now we do have a line here. We're going to have news in 1 minute. So expect the unexpected, right? Like Julie Chen would say. Expect the unexpected. Yep. So I got like a lot of work to do on my stream and stuff, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Thanks to everybody who followed on YouTube. I got currently 0 extra subscribers today, so that's good. Way to go. Thanks. Thanks for being my friend. We got 1 minute till the news comes out. Let's see which way that's going to go. 23 seconds, 22 seconds. Again, don't copy my trading. You know, you trade your own strategy, your own plan. You get ideas off mine. Try mine. Try to adjust it. Try to make it yours. You know, here we go. Here we go. University of Michigan sentiment. Nothing. Yay! All right, let's refresh that page. Let's refresh it one more time. Might get some new data here. What are we getting? There's no consumer confidence, everybody. Consumer confidence is gone. Refresh one more time. Holy shit! Goodbye market, right? Bam! There's that red. There's that red. Where am I? I am not in this trade. You know why I'm not in this trade? Because my plan says not to be in the trade. But if I was in the trade, I'd be done. I'd be done for the day. Just like that. Whoop, bam, bam. But this is definitely giving us a strong direction. We're definitely going bearish. We're definitely going to break that double bottom. And it's definitely not going to do anything I just said because that's how the stock market works, right? So we can get in this trade in 1 more minute, but we cannot because we need it to go green, right? We need it to go the direction. We need it to change direction. So we're going to come up on a little bit of a rebound here probably. That sentiment number was horrible. Horrible. People are losing faith in our economy. But that's not to be unexpected. I mean, this week we had some shitty numbers all the way around. So here on the 1 minute, we kind of got like a double top. Right, we're retesting this area. This is null and void at the moment. We got 1 more minute of craziness, and then we will be looking to get back in. But yeah, you don't want to get caught in this, you know, especially if you're in the wrong direction. This is a whole lot of loss for nothing. whole lot of drawdown, because drawdown happens while you're in the trade, as well as not being in the trade. So if this pops green, which would be astronomically crazy, I guess they just don't want the economy to do good. Holy shit, right? Look at that. Look at that run up there. Are we going to VWAP? Are we going to VWAP? Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this move at all, but I'm going to buy it. I'm going to do what my plan says. Right? So when this pops, I buy it. I just think it's the stupidest buy in the world. Come on, baby. Pull all the way back down to 0. Oofta. Oofta. Come on. I don't want to get in. Thank you. Holy shit. That would have been disastrous. I might have to make this 5 minutes, right? Because look at that move. Look how sick that is. Look how sick that bullishness was. We're definitely going bearish. Remember, I said that. And I lied to you all. I lied. I Fibonacci'd, right? I Fibonacci'd. Let's get rid of these fibs because apparently they're shit. They're shit. Those fibs are shit. Why are we bullish on this news? Lower sentiment's not good. Higher inflation's good, though. Prices go up. Businesses work off of, percentages, so that's good for them. Now, I'm okay with buying right here. But I don't think I'm going to get that green light. Got 14 seconds. I'd like a little pop up. Right, so if I can get that to close above this point here, I'll be in. I'll be in bullish for the start, right? It's green.
Order filled.
We're back in. We're back in the trading, folks. Now I want a kind of a hesitation here and a slight pullback is really what I want. I want something to just go to this point right here. Close right there, and then we'll get in bearish, and then we'll hopefully continue down to our target for the day. We are going to lose money. We're paying for information at this point is the way I like to look at it with my trading plan. We're 170 down. 2 bad trades. Not really bad trades. I mean, it just didn't go our way, right? They're good trades because I traded my plan. I stuck to my plan. I wouldn't mind some bullish money, though, right? Let's go bullish. We're gonna go bullish. Let's go bullish. I'm okay with that. I'm in. I'm in that. Here's $50 ahead right now. We're not moving very fast, but can we lock in some of that mama drama? We're moving up. Moving up. Don't quite have our window of profit yet, I like to call it. From a technical standpoint, we're in a mess. Huge spinning top on that news. Just a mess. Just a mess. A little bit higher here. And then the rotation. Or this rotation will be good because it's really locking out my my loss, right? We don't really have any trend lines like we talked about. The VWAP's kind of doing its thing. Oh, we are breaking up, though. Again, really weird. Really strange. But, hey, I don't care which way I get my money as long as I get my money. Right? I'm here for the dollars. I'm here for the dollars. We're 170 ahead on this trade, which is the total ass opposite way I thought it would go. So, yeah, take my trading advice if you want to lose money, right? Or just keep to the fact that this is a educational entertainment video for you guys' viewing pleasure as you sit at home and watch OnlyFans. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm your alternative. Put me in the background. I'll be louder than the video. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Here we go. 350 ahead. 270 on this account. Let's go. Let's go, stupid ass backwards movement. Let's go. Let's go, because we expect the economies to do worse and we make more in the stock market, right? Because that's how the stock market works. Right now we're locked in. We do have a window, but we are moving. We are moving and grooving. Bullish is the way. Bullish is the way. Pop, we're gonna really strengthen our window here, right? So this is now our window of profit between here and here. Any close below here, we walk away with money. We need to get up to a total of, on this number here, 170 plus 500. We need to get up to, well, shit, let's be real here. So if I'm at 370, I need about, oh, there we go. Here we go. Let's see, are we going to close out today already? Keep going up. We're at 495. What do we see here? Well, this is our zone, right? One of our zones. The high of the day is up here. Are we going to push all the way to that high? Let's keep going. This could be the end. We could be done. We're at 480 on this trade, but I need another 200, right? About 200 to get me through. 200 to get me through, but we're picking up our window. Our window's getting much bigger here. Our window is now at this point here. So between here and here, a candle close between those 2 points is profit. It's profit. And we like profit. We like profit. Well, no, we're getting some red here, right? So we might be flipping out. Might be flipping out, but because the wick test now, if this candle closed, the next candle shows up. Our wick test is way down here at 381. But keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. We got a very strong move here. We're looking to capitalize with our 500 bucks. What was our drawdown today so far? Our max drawdown was 180.40. That's pretty shitty. We're going to lock in another one. We're going to make our windows bigger here. So we're opening that window up, letting the storm come in, right? Letting the storm come in. It's going to take a hell of a drop to knock us out. We're at over 500 on this trade. So if this was our only trade, we'd be done already today. But we need to make up 170, right? We need to make up 170. I'm kind of getting a doji here a little bit. We aren't at the highs of the day, though, so I'd like to continue going up. Do we have kind of a trend line? Let's just put a line on it. Because for some reason, when you put a line on it, it just makes it feel better. It makes me feel better. See, I'm bullish. The line's bullish. Not really in agreement with that line too much, but we're going to go with it. We need another 100 points in this move, and we are done for the day if we can get it. If we can get another 100 points up, we are done for the day. Can you push that? Can you push that? It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to get that last 100. Right? No, maybe not. Maybe not. I take that. Yeah, no, we need more than 100, right? No, we need 100. Oh, boy, here we go. Here we go. Oh, that was close. That was close. That was close, man. You're freaking 60, 30, 60 off. Oof. Oof. Oh, can we move this up? We can move this up. We're locking in more of that window. Locking in more of that window. I expect to bounce off this line, to be honest with you. From a technical standpoint, right? Technical standpoint completely. But we are still trading our plan. That's all we got to do, right? Trade our plan. Don't overthink it. Trade the plan. We are 50 points off, $50 off. And again, it's going to be a little higher. Oh, there it is.
Order filled.
Another day, 100%. What do? We close out the screen and we brag a little bit. Thank you for all that watched. We hit our target today. Game over. There's nothing else to say. It's 10:11. Do you know where your children are? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, and do the follow, share thing. Bye. That's amazing. Oh, I'm still on YouTube's, by the way. So let's stop our YouTube stream right there.